We ain't do no intro, y'all. They look scared.
You do.
Do an intro. What we doing? Man, we out here watching these cars. We tried to watch them race, but we couldn't watch the race. We in Mexico. It look cloudy though. Hold on. Let me get it together. Hold on. You gonna do the intro? Man, look at that rain. That motherfucker glistening.
Oh my God, please don't leave in the picture. We outside.
We came to Mexico to look at some of these good-looking cars. You can't curse in the first couple seconds on YouTube, so I can't curse. Well, we came to look at some of these good-looking cars. We tried to see some races, but I ain't got no fast car and I couldn't keep up. So, enjoy the footage. I ain't gonna do no outro. And I'll see y'all at the next video. Vets, boy. Love them vets. The blue GTO had one of these. Had a 06. Parachute on the back. Dang nice. Kind of dark right here. Z28. I love this joint right here. Dark as hell. It's that Batmobile. Can't even see him. Camaro section. We out here in Mexico, man. Got a lot of nice cars out here. Make me want to get back into cars. It seems like I always go back and forth from weightlifting the cars, weightlifting the cars, weightlifting the cars. Every time I fall off from weightlifting, I always get back in the cars. The wide body Hellcat D-Badge. I like that horns. I like these joints too. I can't really get a good view of. I don't think there's no hawk. No track hawk. But it's definitely a straight 8. I can't get a good view of. G8 thing. I like that red, man. I like this joint. Got the red guts. They pulling up left and right in them Hellcat. Got the neon SRT4s. I ain't seen one of them joints in a minute. This little thing's quick though. I got Hellcat emblem on there. Oh, that's the demon emblem. Yeah. I hope it come out clear, man. It's so dark. Purple. Purple, the paint on this thing, nice. Nice. Good. Like this, a Hellcat E85 SOT. The Subi. I love this gray color. They pulling up in them cats left and right out here, boy. Right there. You gonna talk to the people? You shy? Tell them which one your favorite car.
Mercedes.
Which one? Where is it? I think he gone already, ain't he? Yeah, I think he left already.
Yeah, he's left.
What's your second favorite car out here? You only just one car? Man, let me see what my favorite car is out here. I like that red Vet. Nah, yeah, it's between the red Vet and the white Vet. The red one gone. Oh, there go the Mercedes. Let me show them the Benz out. That's the Mercedes. Caleb said that's his favorite car out here.